Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest and most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to let the knowledge sink in naturally. Today, we are diving into the fascinating topic of the Great Lakes. Why are they so important to the United States? Let's explore this together. The Great Lakes are a group of 5 massive freshwater lakes located in North America: Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. Together, they make up the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world by total area, containing about 21% of the world's surface fresh water. That's a huge amount of water. These lakes are incredibly important for many reasons. First, they serve as a major source of drinking water for over 40 million people living in the surrounding areas. Imagine, millions of people depend on the Great Lakes every day for clean, fresh water. Second, the Great Lakes are vital for transportation and trade. They connect to the Atlantic Ocean through the St. Lawrence Seaway, allowing ships to transport goods like grain, coal, and iron ore across North America and beyond. Without this system, the U.S. economy would look very different. Third, the Great Lakes provide rich natural habitats for countless species of fish, birds, and other wildlife. They support a massive fishing industry, both commercial and recreational, and attract tourists from all over the world who come to enjoy boating, fishing, and beautiful lakefront cities like Chicago, Cleveland, and Toronto. However, the Great Lakes also face challenges. Pollution, invasive species, and climate change threaten the health of these waters. Efforts are underway to protect and restore the lakes, ensuring they continue to serve as a natural treasure for future generations. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's an essential part of mastering English and American culture. And don't forget to like and share this video to help us keep growing and making even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.